I said, if that project is going to take place, let it be a gift from the state government to them. So that when it happens, and if fight, collect them back. The significance of them putting money together to build that thing is it be like when they don't open one new deck, then men go anchor, go pin flag. Once you don't pin flag, you don't pin flag. Now what they want to do now, flag they won't pin, they won't open deck. Now so they're going to enter state by state, state by state, state by state, state by state. You time will come, as a young man, as a Bayelsa, you will find it hard to even explain to your own child his or her origin, her history. Say we you say be young man, say from here they come. And now because now for Bayelsa now another they do call Ijo, another they see the APA, the Aptisa, the Nembe, the Brass, the Obia as non-call Ijo. So this small difference that they give now, I don't give this Igbo mind to actually enter, begin to define communities where be Igbo inside Bayelsa. Abomination. But wanna keep quiet. The kings keep quiet because why? Now linking to kings. They just want project go give them money. Linking to kings. All the ones money. Leaders, youth leaders, everybody just want money. Real issues will go affect us 10 years to come, 20 years to come. Nobody they see and talk. We just want money. Money. Whenever you're watching this video, I'm making this video in respect to the developments of the Igbos in Bayelsa State. Now, I just want to go straight to the point. I've seen a lot of comments regarding this particular issue that they want to build an Anambra house in Bayelsa State. Now, it's not about building the house. That's not the bone of contention right now. Let's look at the significance of that particular act, the purpose, the essence of that particular act. A lot of these Bayelsa guys that think they are honorables, or be essays, I don't know what position they have or whatever, that think they have a PhD, they are masters, and they have gone to school and civilized, but they're actually less informed of what is going on in Nigeria presently today. Now let me give you guys a quick brief. It's going to be a long video, but you have to listen. Let me give you guys a quick brief of what is going on. You see, over the past years, the Igbos, majority of the Igbos, have set a new goal. Since we cannot achieve the Biafra through this formula, if they know that if they have the Niger Delta in support of the Biafra goal, it will be easy for them to achieve it. But since Bayelsa, River State, Delta State, Ondo State, no one can join, they need to look for that means. When we are growing up, we never woke up any day to see an Igbo man claim a community in Bayelsa State, or in River State, or in Delta State, anywhere. There is no Igbo man that did that. I grew up in Ogbia main town. I did my secondary and my primary in Ogbia main town. And I knew how we lived. There was an Igbo man called Lambert. There's also an Hausa man called Oblai. I could remember them. I think Oblai is dead now. Lambert too is dead as well. But they lived in Ogbia, have their families in Ogbia, but they never claimed that place any day. They had all their children in Ogbia. There's another one, Yofuelos, they're still in Ogbia till today. They never claimed that place any day. But in recent times, there's an agenda dominant. Let me tell you, the difference between the Igbo man and the Fulani is that the Igbo man, they bath, Fulani know they bath. But they have the same agenda. Dominate. The Fulani wants to religiously dominate everywhere. The Igbo man wants you to decline your heritage, your origin, your forefathers, and believe in them. Believe on what they are here to tell you. Now they are waiting to tell you now the truth, your own, that as an Ijo man, you are nobody. There is nothing like Ijo, and I can prove it several times. So people think that it's just a social media quarrel and fight. No, it's not a social media quarrel. This thing is real. If you see anybody that is creating, I'm creating content on social media, okay? And I know how many DMs I have. Some will come to push propaganda. Bro, push propaganda will pay you good money, good offers. But because I know what I'm doing, I will not accept it. But there are people who accept it. The moment you start getting famous, no matter how little it is, security agencies, secret security agencies, government, religious people, you know, they will start coming to you because they feel like you are now a tool for them to achieve a set goal. All the content creators on this internet talking about Igbo here, River State is Igbo, Bayelsa is Igbo, River State is Igbo, everywhere is Igbo, America is Igbo, Ghana is Igbo, everywhere is Igbo. They are being sponsored. There is a WhatsApp group. All of them did a WhatsApp group. They have this conversation. There are bulletins that are being dropped on a daily basis, sharing this bulletin to the Igbo nation, letting the younger generation know that they own all these places, that is all Biafra. How do you deal with the people who think that there was once a country with a growing economy called Biafra, when we all know that there was never a country such as that? Biafra was never a country with a growing economy. It was just the people surviving conflict at a period of time. We had Niger Delta before those Biafra things. They let us down and declare for Biafra. As a Bayelsan, if you don't know this history, you are a fool. And most of you are big fools because people love licking toes of politicians. That is why you don't have any sense in your head. The poverty brokenness is what is disturbing a lot of you. When you don't wear one tibo with one nonsense cap, you think you have something to say. Now if people don't go sell land, give people to build an Anambra house in Bayelsa, the next thing they will crown a king. Do you know what it means? Imagine the king of a PA Atisa or the king of a PA alone is having another king inside. It means that there is a king that a set of people living in your land will listen to more than you. That's the significance of this thing. That they want to build an Igbo, what's it called, an Anambra house in Bayelsa State. What happened to the halls? If Igbo people want to be doing their events, nobody stopping. They should take the field. That's how they used to do Igbo Day. They should take the field. Pancha field is there. Opolo field is there. Sport complex is there. They should take the field and do their event. If they want Indomie, they should rent a hall and do their event. The idea of having an Igbo house, not just a single person. If it's a single Igbo man that decides to build the house and name it Anambra house, it's a different thing. Okay, this man is an Anambra billionaire that decides to build this house and name it Anambra house. It's a different thing. We can trace the house to a particular person. This one, a group of people want to organize a program to raise funds, 150 million to build a house in your state, and you sold the land for them. You are clapping for them. You are clapping in your state. You are clapping for them. It's called dominance. You fools. You don't understand. Let me give you an example. And how some man too will start to pray for the middle of the road. And I will think as I don't mean anything. Before you know 3, 5, 6, 7, the next thing to turn to a normal thing to you. The next thing when they pray, if you go try waka pass, they don't massacre you. Because why? When they started one, you refuse to stop them. And today, then they block the road because they started one and you refuse to block them. You are nonchalant. You are not protecting your heritage. It pains me so much when I see some of these things. Let me tell you something. Look. Last week I made a video and posted about it. Look at it on the screen. They said there is no ethnic group known as Ijo in River State. The Kalabari, they talk about Melfodokilo in this post. You can go and check it out. They talk about Melfodokilo, the Etespif, how God is punishing the Etespif and all the rest, how they stole the Igbo land and give it to and name it Ijo, how they did all those things. The second thing, they say Isaac Adakaboro Apiri. I put it up there. I made this video. These guys are here to take what belongs to you. The life you grew up to see. What they told you, the story. Imagine you telling me that my Isaac Adakaboro is a thief, is a liar. He stole these things from you as an Igbo man. Imagine you telling me there is nothing like Ijo. Imagine you telling me that Obia is Ijo. There is a bulletin. Let me read the bulletin out that states that. I want to read the bulletin that states that. Let me read it out. Yes, you look at it here. Here are the main indigenous Igbo communities in Bayelsa State. Bayelsa is mostly Ijo, but these Igbo speaking areas have been there for generations. Andoni Kingdom, Auda West, LG. This is the largest and most recognized Igbo group in Bayelsa. Town villages, Andoni Town, Abua Udual Borders area, Okonzi, Akenema. Language, Andoni, dialect. These are Ogbia people. The next thing, they go as far as to say, the whole of Ogba, all the rest, they are Igbo communities. They say 2, Ogbia local government. That Ogbia main town is an Igbo community. Ogbia main town that was created by Chief Melfodokilo for the Ogbia people to trade and do business is now an Igbo community. And that's why they went there to Southern Ijo, and that's just it. They will now come and tell you your history. Now let me tell you the fun about this thing. You think it's social media, but let me tell you, this is what any Igbo child that was born from the year 2010, 2010, these are the histories they are telling them. That all these people are Igbo, they are all Biafras, God forbid. All these people are Igbos. That is what they are telling them. They are more than 1,000 of them on the internet trying to pass, and you know how strong social media is. They are fought. They are looking like they are dominating the Ikwere. They have succeeded in collecting the Ikwere. Our slangs, as a Bayelsa boy where I be, with my 99 intelligence, our slangs where would they speak as Bayelsa boys with the streets and River State, our slangs was unique. Look well, over the years, if you go to River State and the boys are speaking slangs, they now have Igbo words instead of Ikwere words, Kalabari words inside. Because over the years, they don't colonize them. See, you are looking at it like it's nothing, but this is how communities and countries lose their identity. It's happening in the UK right now. It's like erosion. Do you know that a child that was born 5 years ago will never know that there was a big community called Ogogoro across Swale because the flood has washed it away? History is like flood. If you don't tell it, someone else will say it the way they want, and over time it will wash away. Over time it will wash away. See, if there is going to be an Anambra house in Bayelsa, let it be built by the Bayelsa State government and given to them as a gift, and not them raising funds to build it. The significance of that is that they are belittling your own tradition, your ethnicity, because they are already telling you that whatever they told you about yourself as an Ijo man is wrong. That it is what they are telling you that is right. The people are here for dominance. And those of you clapping for them, let me tell you something. It is better you become a mini minority with an Hausa man or a Fulani man than for you to be a minority with an Igbo man. Because God forbid, say they mistakenly get Biafra, they now added Niger Delta, Ijos as part of Biafra. Let me tell you something, your suffer, I just started from there. They are coming for your oil, though. They are coming for it. And you know, go be like the way outside people collect and they still share small. When they come, they go collect everything. I'll give you an example. In 2023, during the election, can you point out one major support group that was supporting Obi during that election that was led by Adijoman? They are trying to tell you that this is an Igbo struggle. So they want to occupy everywhere. Everything is not their own. They are claiming your community. They tell you there are indigenous community in Bayelsa State. They are telling that Andoni, Auda West, Bona Boy, all the rest, me, an Igbo man, that Obeya is an Igbo community. And people are clapping for them. If people don't sell land, give them. Maybe they build an Igbo house. And there's some foolish Bayelsa politicians, I mean nonsense people there. When I don't want to talk, say there is a Bayelsa house, there is an Ijo house in Abuja. Hello, shut the fuck up. There is nothing like Ijo house in Abuja. There is nothing. Bayelsa State government don't have a memo written any day, whether it's 2003 or 2002, that we want to build an Ijo house in Abuja. No, there was nothing like that. Let me explain to you. What we have in Abuja is Bayelsa Liaison Office and Bayelsa State Governor's Lodge, which is back of Federal High Court in CBT, Central Business District here in Abuja, and the Bayelsa State Liaison Office around Asokoro or so. The rest houses you are seeing were houses owned by Alameseya. It was during his issue with Obasanjo that caused the whole impeachment and everything, when they were seizing his properties. Those were the ones that Bayelsans were able to occupy, to collect. They call the Chelsea Hotel is gone. The judges people think guys and judges in Bayelsa in Abuja is no longer, nobody stays there. They are giving it out. The one in Zone 6, in Wuse Zone 6 is also going out. The one in Banex is also going out. I think they're in court. There is nothing like Ijo house anywhere. Every state in this country has a liaison office and a governor's lodge in Abuja. Also in Lagos, because Lagos and Abuja are central. Does that mean that because you have in Lagos, it means that Lagos is your land? No. These people are people are blind. Are you not seeing? Yeah, they went to Ghana. They are the people. The main issue we have in Ghana today is because of the Igbos. They formed a king if you don't value your heritage. These people do. The same thing in South Africa. They had this shit. This is why they're having a long log with the Yoruba people. All these things. Dominance. Because they always feel they're smarter. So they can actually dominate anybody and then take over, do whatever they want to do. Dominance. And people are clapping for them. See, building the house is not my problem. The essence, the purpose of that building, that is where I have issues with. If they want an Anambra house, let it be a gift from the Bayelsa State government to them in order to promote national unity. Let the Bayelsa State government build the house and gift them. Igbo people should not allow to contribute money to build any house that will be named Anambra house. The next thing, they will crown a king in Bayelsa. Now people are they pity. Now they pity. Now they shout marginalized. They don't touch anything. Now they pity. You will struggle to find your identity because the Igbo man will tell you that, see, everything you have been told that who you are is a lie. Drop everything and identify yourself as a Biafran, as an Igbo man. Your history, the old Adakaboro, the IYC, the AP Artisa, your culture, your everything is gone. That's what they want to do to you. I'm giving you, see, that's what they want to do to you. I'm giving you just 20 years from now. 20 years. You see it. That's what they want to do to you. These people don't like you. These people believe that because of Adakaboro, their Biafra team no work. See, Adakaboro betray them, go work with Nigeria government, fight them. They don't like you. The relationship between Bayelsa and Igbo people is business. It's transactional. It's not, they're not helping you. It's transactional. In 1 year, all the weddings happening in Bayelsa State, how many? Is it up to 10% that an Igbo man married an Igbo Bayelsa girl? How many shops owned by Igbo people in Bayelsa State that have Bayelsa staffs working? Even though I know that Bayelsa staffs are very Bayelsa workers, they don't used to work. They don't work. That one I know. They don't go there for your shop because I have first-hand experience with them. Then they go burial, the auntie don't born, snake by their grandmother. They will always leave to go and attend to their things. That one is explainable. The same thing with the Hausa. At least Igbo people better Hausa. Igbo people they pay house rent. Then they rent Bayelsa houses, they pay house rent. Hausa people they even rent houses. They do like 500. They stay one place. And they wear one cloth from January to December. That's even worse. And we are looking at this thing like it's nothing. The same way, you will not wake up one morning and think that I want to relocate to Kano, I want to relocate to Niger State, I want to relocate to Adamawa, I want to relocate to those northern places. It should be the same thing. They should not think of doing that same thing to your place, but they will come and mess it up. They will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They'll fool. You should learn how to give people what they are giving out. If not, at the end of the day, you become slave. Ijo is the 4th largest ethnic group in Nigeria, but people are telling you that you are nowhere. Look at it. I'm not capping here. Look at it. Look, this one said, South are under Igbo command forever. Which idiot from Ijo or Ogoni? Who will stop Igbos? No one can. You only complain and go back to your hut. Igbos lives in mansions, wealth and power. They have all Ijo's leaders are Igbo's bloodline. Asari Dokubo told you idiot told you he's Igbo. King Jaja Popo and all these people then. In Bayelsa, Ijo state made up of 70% Igbos. You think these things these people are typing? You think they just wake up and type it? No, they're not mad. They're not crazy. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. They're not crazy. Now, from WhatsApp group, this information is passing. Every Igbo guy has it in the back of their mind, both the women, that there was once a country with a growing economy. So once you are not in line with that, their agenda, you're an enemy. They will play with you, laugh with you because they want to do business with you, take money. But when the shit will happen, bro, this is 2026. I keep saying this thing every day. See, no matter how you pretend or you try to talk about the health benefit of cola nuts, when you take the first bite, you squeeze your face. When there is war, don't act as if there is no war. The hypocrisy in that state is too much. That is why these kind of things will happen. Now some people will come online and defend it so much. Now I'm not angry. I don't have any problem with that one. But now you have started claiming that all the communities, Ogbeya, Utrabage, Olebiri, Otogidi, Amerikbako, Abureni, Kolo, what's it called? Idema, Mango, all those communities, the Ogbeya side will consign me, say na Igbo. And this is why I'm doing this video. This shit it pain me because I cannot like grow up with the knowledge and someone come and tell me that everything I know was all false, that I'm an Igbo man. Azar. Hello, sir. Azar. And then they clap because we have stinky leaders that love to lick toes. Agitators and freedom fighters that lick toes. These are matters that you rise and put stop to it. Muslims pray on you, they go block the road, they pray for your state, with the Christian state. And then you say you're promoting national unity. But if you do that same thing for their side, they will massacre you. Now the place, they won't build Igbo. I say if that project is going to take place, let it be a gift from the state government to them. So that when it happens, and I'll fight, connect and back. The significance of them putting money together to build that thing is it be like when they don't open one new deck, then men go anchor, go pin flag. Once you don't pin flag, you don't pin flag. Now what they want to now flag, they won't pin, they won't open deck. Now so they're going to enter state by state, state by state, state by state, state by state. Time will come, as a young man, as a Bayelsa, you will find it hard to even explain to your own child his or her origin, history. Say you say be young man, say from here they come. And now because now for Bayelsa now, another they do call Ijo, another they see the APA, the Atisa, the Nembe, the Brass, the Ogbeya as non-call Ijo. So this small difference that they give now, I don't give this Igbo mind to actually enter, begin to define communities where be Igbo inside Bayelsa. Abomination. But wanna keep quiet. The kings keep quiet because why? Now licking to kings. They just know project will give them money. Licking to kings. All the ones money. Leaders, youth leaders, everybody just want money. Real issues will go affect us 10 years to come, 20 years to come. Nobody they see and talk. We just want money. Money. Oh God, these things are annoying me so much. Like when I see all these posts, all these nonsense posts they are posting. Look at this one said, Nembe people historically migrated from Obolo, Afo in present Enugu, LG of Enugu State. Yeah, bio. Obolomabri and Basambri. They say on a Igbo people say on from Enugu come. Another day here. You would think it's social media, but this is what they are telling their children. So imagine the birth rate. And they're telling 10,000 to 1 million people that this is the history. But you are not telling your own. You are relaxed. And they find money. And they find essay. And they find this. And they find that. And they move from NDC to APC, APC to NDC. Those are the things you are focused on. But your history, who you are, you don't have time. Someone else will help you and tell your story. And they will twist it and change it however they want it. In my own opinion, the people who sell the land give them, that's your fucking business. I don't fucking care about that shit. But then, for me, if this thing wants to actually, because whether I talk or no talk, the project will take place. Because they don't sell the land give them. Let it be a gift. Let Bayelsa State government build this house, as they call it, that Igbo house, a gift from Bayelsa State government to the Igbo community in Bayelsa State in order to promote national unity and business. Anything aside from this one should not be allowed in Bayelsa State. It's a trap. You are going to be land trapped in your own land, in your own place. Are you not seeing what is happening in Ikwere? They don't Ikwere na Igbo land now. In fact, when I was growing up, when we are in River State, I know that it is the Bayelsa part, the Jaws, and people running River State. But they're not telling you that all those things people we are doing running River State, they are illegal. That you stole land from them. Now the oil they cause all these things. So this our oil struggle, they struggle since. So now they don't come back like this. They come back like this. And this time it go best. This time it go best. And they shout because they think they pain me. I'm angry. Seeing all these things, and I see Bayelsans posting that what is wrong. If they want to build this, they want to build that. There is also a house in. There is no house in Abuja. Neither there is a house in Lagos. Wake up, travel so you can know all these things. Get the right information. Don't get dumb. What we have is Bayelsa State Liaison Office and Bayelsa State Governor's Lodge. The rest are properties originally. If Alamesia no enter that problem, those houses in our house. Not be Ijopu go dey stay there. Those were personal properties. Now, because of the issue, they had to forfeit them out immediately. Maybe they say Ijopu can rush, collect those ones. We'll see all those ones keep. There are plenty for Abuja, not be just Chelsea. There are plenty. I know like 6 of them. Then when I call the talk, say there's nothing like Ijo house in Abuja. Now, let me see how houses them where Ijo people they stay. There is no memo in government house that was written that they should build a house that will house Bayelsa people in Abuja. What is there is the Bayelsa Liaison Office and Bayelsa State Governor's Lodge. If you don't know this one now in your head. You cannot go to Anambra and do this shit. Which point any state in Nigeria that has a state house aside from Abuja and maybe Lagos? Can you go to Enugu and see what's it called? Edo State house in Enugu? Are you thinking, or Bayelsa people are dumb this period? What's going on? Hello? Stop that. What's going on? Now, you don't show the IYC and the INC and everybody go come talk to address this issue. They don't go address, but the thing they spread. It go escalate to something else, but they come begin talk. His Excellency, sir, if they want to have an Anambra house in Bayelsa State, let the Bayelsa State government build it and give them as gift. We know say that Bayelsa State government build it, our tax and money they use build and they give it as gift. Not them putting money together to build